Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can set the default preferences for finance charges assessed in customer statements within the Preferences window in QuickBooks. To do this, select Edit, Preferences from the menu bar to open the Preferences window where you can set the default behaviors of the currently opened company file. Click the Finance Charge icon at the left side of the Preferences window, and then click the Company Preferences tab at the right side of the window to set the finance charge settings if you charge finance charges. Note that it is not required that you assess finance charges, and you should consult the laws for your district regarding assessment of finance charges before assessing them to customers. In this tab, you can enter the annual interest rate to charge as a percentage into the annual interest rate field. You can then enter a minimum finance charge to apply in the minimum finance charge box. Next, enter the number of days you want to set as the grace period into the grace period days box. Use the Finance Charge Account drop-down to select the account used to track income from finance charges. If needed, you can check the Assess Finance Charges on Overdue Finance Charges checkbox to enable that feature when calculating finance charge amounts. Below that, you can then select either the Due Date or the Invoice/Billed Date option button to select the date that should be used when calculating charges. Also, if you want the finance charge invoices that are created to be marked as to be printed by default, then check the Mark Finance Charge Invoices to be printed checkbox. That way you can print them as a batch after assessing finance charges if needed. After you have set your finance charge defaults, click the OK button to apply them.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.